Hello, traders. This is Ali with Solar Flare Trading. Hope everyone is having an awesome day. Today is March the 26th, 2021, Tuesday. And today was a red day. Okay, today was a red day. We took two trades. First and foremost, I can definitely account for why we were red today. Were they both of these plays were one was an A plus signal, one was not. Took the first trade, as you can see here on the YM, or the Wall Street 30, as you may know it. And this right here was basically a washout. So we were looking for a third attempt to break to get back over to the 200 period moving average, as you can see here. First attempt, no go. Second attempt, made another attempt here, and then of course here's our pretty much our fourth attempt at going in and being able to go long. So this one here, like I said, first of all, let's just start off. Look at this. It is 2:19 in the afternoon Central Time. Market closes at 3. All right. First and foremost, I got no business in this trade. I never trade this late. Usually about 1 o'clock would be the latest that I would enter a trade, if that. But I really try to cut it off no later than noon. But if it's not a setup, it's not a setup. I can't force it. So, as you can see here, we were coming in. We took some heat on the initial trade. We're looking for a buy at this point. As you can see, price went against us in the negative. Now, one thing I do want to let you know about the YM is from the NASDAQ is the YM trades at a little bit less per tick than the NASDAQ does. So the NASDAQ is, has a little bit higher per tick average than the YM. So the trades are always off. It's never even Steven, okay, into that regard. So even on the YM, I can afford to be a little bit more riskier because I can afford the drawdown, if that makes sense. Okay. But anyway, so we had some heat coming in here in the beginning. Let me go ahead and fast forward this a little bit. As you can see, at this point, price is up. Okay, price is up. It's about to hit the 200 period moving average. And at this point, I was really should have been looking to get out of this trade. As soon as it hit that 200 period, I should have been looking to get out. I was looking for a little bit of an extra pop on the trade. As you can see, I rose my stop. Well, you probably can't, but let me take a look here. I actually rose my stop loss. Look, stop loss is at, I'm sorry, not top loss, but take profit. Take profit was at 32,777. As soon as price started to spike up, okay, I got a little greedy and I was like, well, I think I could possibly get a little bit more. And look, I'm moving my stop loss up, all right, which I shouldn't have did. And that came back to bite us in the butt. So look at it here, price is going up. I'm like, okay, cool. We're gonna get, we're gonna hit our mark that we need. Well, that wasn't the case. And as you can see here, price just came eventually back. There we go. So price came back and took me out the trade. So I brought it back up to at least break even on the trade, and it was like a $3 profit. All right. So I took like a $3 profit, which is basically a loss in my book, but not really. But so we got took out. The next trade I got into was on the NQ or the NASDAQ. This trade was at 239. Okay, 239, 20 minutes till market close. All right, no way I should have took this trade. So like I said, I already know from the jump what I did wrong today. Okay, this wasn't even a question. So coming back at this point, this was support. That's now resistance, and it's coming right into that territory, right? And I should have been aware of this. I should have been more aware of this. Instead, I'm looking for a buy. All right. If anything, I should be looking for a sale. All right. And thirdly, I shouldn't even be trading this at all because it's 20 minutes to the close of the market. So we got a little bit of a push up. I'm like, okay, cool. starting to feel a little good about the trade. And eventually, you know what happens. Price starts to go against us. All right, now we got the wicks forming at the zone, at this resistance zone, which is definitely giving me confirmation that this trade is a no-go and I should be bailing. So technically right now, I should have got out the trade, right? I should have took the little 20-something dollar loss at this point and jumped out. But I thought maybe the bulls might take over and get a little bit higher of a push before the close of the market, and that didn't happen. So basically, as you can see here, price is starting to come back down. And then at this point, I got a little happy because I'm like, okay, here come the bulls. Here come the bulls, at that point. And no, that wasn't the case. And as you can see, I'll show you, I pulled my stop loss up. So at this point now, it's getting close to, the end of, it's only 6 minutes left, okay, in the market. So at this point, I raised my stop loss. I'm thinking about it. There we go. I moved my stop loss up, and I'm like, all right, if this thing comes back down, I'm not participating in the sell-off. I'm just gonna exit the trade, and I'll just take my L. Okay, so 5 minutes, basically 5 minutes left in the market. And of course, the market's going to do what the market's going to do. And we got out. It took us out as far as the trade, as you can see right there. And price just kept going down and eventually closed out. So we took a $56 loss and a $3 gain on the day, which was ended up for a total loss on the day anyway. And let me go back to my charts, which you can see here. We took total profit for the day minus commissions was $55.94 in the negative. We took those two trades, and of course, as you can see there, first trade on the YM, I was in for 21 minutes. Second trade, I was in for 15 minutes. You can see our net liquidity now is about $2,155, down from the $2,500 initially that we had. And if you go back over here to TraderSync, you can see, so we got so far 2 red days on the month. Of course, with the $55.94 loss we took today. So we still got time to dig our way out of this. No big deal. Basically, we just took the profits that we made yesterday and zeroed that back out with the loss today. So hopefully tomorrow will be a much better day. And we go ahead and jump back on the bandwagon. I'm going to go ahead and end this video for now. So for those of you who enjoyed it, please take your time, like the video. And for those who are just stopping by, please subscribe to the channel. That's really greatly appreciated. I try to pull out real quality content. No fake stuff here, no demo accounts. Trading, as you can see, just real, honest, trading, man, every day. So please like and subscribe. That's greatly appreciated on our road to 400 subs. And until next time, guys, peace.